Welcome back to Python MC. In this section, we are going to break methods. So we're going to take our example of fruits, and remember from the previous lesson that fruits is a type of a list, or the type for fruits is list. So we look at type fruits and we see the class is list. Type and class are the same thing in Python. And then we check the directory, dir fruits, and we can see there's all these different methods. We looked at append and reverse and sort. Now let's start to show you typical errors you're going to make when you use these different methods. So to call the method, we say the object dot then the method name. In this case, fruits.sort, we forgot to put in parentheses, so it just told us, oh, well, sort is a built-in method, but it didn't actually sort our list. For it to work, we need the object name, fruits, and then the method, then parentheses, and now it'll work. So we checked again, and fruits is now sorted. We're going to show you the example of append again. So we'll go ahead and, So then we could see there's nothing, we just need to put parentheses up to sort. Now we'll show you the append method. So fruits.append, and then parentheses. You can see it actually takes an argument. So you need to put something in the parentheses. In this case, what we need to put in the parentheses is whatever we're appending to or adding to the end of the list. So fruits.append equals strawberries. And then we test for fruits, and we can see apples, bananas, oranges, peaches, strawberries now at the end. Great, it works. Now why don't we just try to call the reverse method the same way we would print or any other function. And we can see it doesn't even know what you're talking about. What is reverse? So with methods, the way we're going to call methods is to put in the name of the object, and then dot, and then the specific method, in this case reverse, then the parentheses. And it'll work. Fruits now is in reverse order. So we've seen a few ways to break these methods. So fruits.sort, you can see that actually you needed parentheses. Append needed a specific argument. And in the case of reverse, you can't just use it like a basic function. You need to have the name of the object first, and then you need to put a dot, and then the name of the method. In this case, reverse with parentheses. That's how it works with methods in Python. Here's the typical examples. So that's it. We'll see you again on Python MC. Python MC. Python MC.
Untitled Chapter.